It's that time. My bathroom is in desperate need of a good deep clean and reorganization because these cabinets over here are a hot mess. And I can't stand it no longer. I cannot stand it. So let's do it. Got my super drink. Need all the energy I can get today. Y'all see these bags? First things first is we're going to deep clean this bathroom. Then we're going to take things out of the cabinets, everything out of those cabinets, deep clean the cabinets and organize those. Step-by-step process so it's not too overwhelming. That is key. Because I will flip out and start throwing shit away. We're going to wash the shower curtain. I wash everything. Besides that can stay. This is empty. Don't judge my shower. I know it's bad. Actually, you can judge. I don't give a fuck. Everybody's shower gets dirty. But mine is bad. OxyClean. Spray that bitch clean. And no, you don't have to use RV Safe cleaning product. You can use any type of cleaning product. Can't stand when people get on here and be like, you have to use RV Safe. No, you don't. No, you don't. That is a lie. It's almost empty. We're gonna clean the toilet. Scrub dub dub. Now we scrub the shower. And I just use a magic eraser. One thing I hate about this shower is all the little creases. Whoever designed this shower, you suck. You suck. Because why? Why? Just make it a smooth wall. Not that hard. My next camper will not have a shower like this. You find money in the floor, does that mean it's yours? I think so. No matter whose it is mine now, because I deserved it, right? I'm cleaning. Mine. It's the same way when I wash my husband's clothes and there's money in the dryer. Mine. What's that saying? What's his is mine and what's mine is mine? Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Let's do it. You already know. Shaving cream. Around the toilet, takes out the pee smell and disinfects. Do it, thank me later. Rub it in. Rub it in, rub it in. Like that. Now we let it sit. And no, I don't use gloves. I think that's stupid. You wash your hands, don't you? Alright, while we're waiting on the floor, we're gonna do this area. The best glass cleaner in the world. Spray away glass cleaner. Need a new wallflower. Don't worry, I got plenty of stuck up. And a new magic eraser. The best hand soap ever. They have laundry soap. They have air fresheners, car fresheners, like, and it smells fucking amazing. Like, candles. I got a candle. It's still burning, and my whole house smells. Holy shit. Damp wash dry. Now we wipe it up. Voila, fresh and nice and clean. Now, just because we did that does not mean that we don't still mop. Okay? You still have to mop. Tool pod. RV Digest, the best. everything's fresh and nice and clean. Now, I'm gonna have to do a part 2 for the organizing and cleaning out the cabinets in here, because this video is long enough. Anyway, so y'all come back for part 2. We're gonna organize and clean the medicine cabinet and the cabinet underneath my sink. But the bathroom is fresh and nice and clean. The only thing I'm waiting on is the shower curtain to finish washing, and we'll put that up. But other than that, it's good. Oh yeah. All right. Hope you have a good day, and we'll catch you later. Bye.